Good morning, students. This is Math Session 11th Standard, Chapter 2, Basic Algebra, Absolute Value. Let's see the definition. The distance of the number a belongs to R from 0 on the number line is called the absolute value of the number a and is denoted by modulus of a. That is, on the number line, you have to measure the distance from A to the point on that line. Okay, that distance is called as absolute value. It is denoted by modulus of A. Thus, for any x belongs to R, we have modulus of x is equal to plus x if x greater than or equal to 0. That is, x value வந்து greater than or equal to 0 இருக்கும்போது how to consider that as the plus x, and minus x, that is negative number if x less than 0. See this modulus defines a function known as absolute value function from R on to close the interval 0 to infinity. That is nothing but non-negative real numbers. Next, we are going to see the properties. First one is, for any x belongs to R, we have modulus of x is equal to modulus of minus x. That is, whatever may be the x value, it always the positive number. And thus, modulus of x equal to modulus of y if and only if this x value is equal to y means if x is equal to plus y, that is positive number y, or x equal to negative y, that is minus y. Whatever may be, that value becomes positive, so that x value is always positive. The next one is modulus of x minus a equal to r if and only if r greater than or equal to 0. That is, modulus of x minus a value is always positive. That value is represented here as r. So, if r is greater than or equal to 0, then this condition satisfies. And x minus a value is maybe r, or x minus a value is equal to minus r. Whatever may be, this modulus means automatically it will become as a positive number. Next one is equations involving absolute value. What is the meaning of equations? Yes, two expressions are equated by means of equal to sign. Then it is called equations. That is, equal to sign இருந்தது அப்படின்னா அந்த எக்ஸ்பிரஷனுக்கு பேரு equation அர்த்தம். Okay, involving absolute value. Now we are going to see the equations which has the modulus values. Okay, the definition is, a real number a is said to be a solution of an equation or an inequality. That is, ஏங்கிறது வந்து ஒரு ஈக்குவேஷனோட சொல்யூஷனாவோ அல்லது இன்இக்வாலிட்டியோட சொல்யூஷனோ சொல்லியிருக்காங்க. If the statement obtained after replacing the variable by a is true, that is, now to replace that variable by means of some value at that time, it must be true. Then it is called solution of that particular equation or an inequality. Okay, see some results for absolute value. First one is, if x comma y belongs to R and modulus of y plus x is equal to modulus of x minus y. This may be said to be x plus y also. That is, modulus of x plus y is equal to modulus of x minus y means then xy equal to 0. That is, the product of the two numbers is 0. Okay, that is, any one of the value must be 0 in this equation. Next result is, for any x comma y belongs to R, modulus of xy equal to modulus of x into modulus of y. Third one is, modulus of x divided by y equal to modulus of x by modulus of y for all x comma y belongs to R and y not equal to 0. Because if this denominator becomes 0 means the whole value is infinity. So the denominator must be not equal to 0. Fourth one is for any x comma y belongs to R, modulus of x plus y less than or equal to modulus of x plus modulus of y. This is called a triangle inequality. This is one of the very important result. Next we are going to see inequalities involving absolute value. Inequalities are nothing but less than or equal to, greater than or equal to. Okay, instead of equal to sign we will have this signs. That is called as inequalities. Now we are going to see inequalities involving absolute values. You have to go through the results. It will be useful for you while doing the sums. See the first one, modulus of x less than or. This meaning is this modulus of x value is less than or, that is or is the greater value. That is if and only if minus or less than x less than or. That is this x value is lies between minus or to plus r. That is may be written as x belongs to open interval minus r comma r. This bracket is very important. Why we are saying here as open interval is here we are using less than sign alone. Here they were given less than sign alone. Here if they were mentioned here as less than or equal to means here also I have to mention that as less than or equal to. Then you have to mention here as the closed interval including that minus r and plus r. But here greater than minus r but less than small r. So you have to use here open interval. See the next one. If modulus of x greater than or, if and only if greater than or means except these values the value. Okay, that is x less than minus r or x greater than r. That is x belongs to open interval minus infinity comma minus r union open interval r comma infinity. How to see the remark points? That is for any a belongs to R, modulus of x minus a less than or equal to R if and only if this similar to this same procedure, but here we are having less than or equal to. Here instead of x we are having x minus a. So instead of x here you have to use x minus a. Okay, that is if and only if minus r less than or equal to x minus a less than or equal to r. If and only if x belongs to, here you have to use the closed interval value. This minus a come to this side, it will become plus a. Here also plus a. So that interval is, instead of this interval, we are having x belongs to closed interval a minus r, comma a plus r. Next one is for any a belongs to r, modulus of x minus a greater than or equal to r if is equivalent to x minus a less than or equal to minus r or x minus a greater than or equal to positive r. If and only if I have to write this instead of this interval, x belongs to open interval minus infinity comma a minus r closed interval. See for infinity either positive or negative you have to use always open interval. But for this less than or equal to or greater than or equal to you have to use closed interval. So for this x belongs to open interval minus infinity comma a minus r union a plus r to infinity. Here closed interval. Let us see some example problems. See example second sum in chapter 2. Let us see the question. Solve 3 into modulus of x minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 19 for x. Solve means you have to find the unknown value. Here the unknown value is x. So for this sum we are going to find the x value. Inge for x and kudukalanalum how to find the x value. Okay, let us see the solution. First you have to write the given data. Here the data is 3 into modulus of x minus 2 plus 7 is equal to 19. This equal to is nothing but equation. Okay, this equal to indicates equation. From this we are going to find the x value. So I have to keep this x term alone this side. We will get that modulus of x minus 2 is equal to this plus 7 come this side minus 7. So 19 minus 7 divided by this multiplication of 3 comes to this as division. So 12 divided by 3 means we will get the answer as 4. That is, this meaning is modulus of x minus 2 is equal to 4. That is, either this x minus 2 is equal to plus 4 or this x minus 2 is equal to minus 4. Okay, from this we have to find the x value. That is, this minus 2 come this side plus 2. So 4 plus 2 means 6. That is, x equal to 6 is one answer. And this minus 2 come this side. We will get minus 4 plus 2. That is, x equal to minus 2. So these two are the solutions for this sum. Next we are going to see example fifth sum in chapter 2. Let us see the question. Solve modulus of 2 divided by x minus 4 greater than 1 where x not equal to 4. Here also the question is solve. Solve means you have to find the unknown value. Here x is the unknown value. We are going to find the values of x other than this 4. Okay, if we are substituting the 4 here means we will get the denominator as 0. So the whole rational number will become as an infinity. Okay, so we have to find the values of x other than this 4. Let us see the solution. First you have to write the given data. Here the given data is modulus of 2 divided by x minus 4 greater than 1 where x not equal to 4. Now we are going to apply the modulus for the numerator separately and the denominator separately. We will get modulus of z divided by modulus of x minus 4. Then you have to cross multiply that modulus of x minus 4 with this one. Then we will get 2 greater than modulus of x minus 4 because modulus of 2 value is 2 alone. This may be written as modulus of x minus 4 less than 2. That is, here 2 is the biggest number. Here also the 2 is the biggest number. Modulus of x minus 4 is the smallest number. So we may write like this. Okay, this meaning is x minus 4 is lies between minus 2 and plus 2. That is written here. That is simply x minus 4, not modulus of x minus 4. How to write that as the x minus 4? That value must be lies between minus 2 to plus 2 and x not equal to 2. To remove this minus 4 because we want to find only the x value. So for remove this minus 4, you have to add 4 throughout this inequality. Okay, then we will get minus 2 plus 4 less than x minus 4 plus 4 less than 2 plus 4. Then how to do that calculation? We will get for this minus 2 plus 4, we will get plus 2. Then this minus 4 and plus 4 will get cancelled. So we will get x alone. And this 2 plus 4 means we will get 6. This meaning is the value of x is lies between 2 and 6. That is, x value is greater than 2 but less than 6. In that, x value is not equal to 4. So I have to mention the solution set as open interval 2, 4 union open interval 4, 6. Here you have to use the open interval alone because we are having the less than sign alone, not equal to sign. This meaning is not include with this 2 and not include with this 4. The numbers lies between these two are called the solutions of x. Similarly for this also, the numbers greater than 4 but less than 6. Here also we are not having the number 4. That is mentioned here as x not equal to 4. Other than that, numbers are called as the solutions. Let us see some exercise problems. See exercise 2.2. First one, third sum. solve for x. That is, we are going to find the unknown value in the given inequality. See this question. Modulus of 3 minus 3 by 4 into x is less than or equal to 1 by 4. So this is the question. First you have to write the solution, then write the given data. The given data is modulus of 3 minus 3 by 4 into x less than or equal to 1 by 4. This meaning is within this modulus value is lies between minus 1 by 4 to plus 1 by 4. That is, which implies minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to, without this modulus you have to write that expression 3 minus 3 by 4 into x less than or equal to 1 by 4. Okay, now we are going to consider this as the two inequalities, that is minus 1 by 4 less than or equal to 3 minus 3 by 4 into x alone. In that this plus 3 come this side, it will become minus 3. Okay, so minus 1 by 4, this 3 come this side means minus 3 less than or equal to minus 3 by 4 into x. If you are taking an LCM means we will get the LCM as 4. That is, there is no denominator means you have to consider that as the 1 and cross multiply these two terms. We will get minus 1 minus 12. So we will get minus 13 by 4 is less than or equal to minus 3 by 4 into x. In this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. So we will get minus 13 less than or equal to minus 3x. Similarly, how to consider this inequality 3 minus 3 by 4 into x less than or equal to 1 by 4. This plus 3 come this side minus 3. So we will get minus 3 by 4 into x less than or equal to minus 1 by 4. No, sorry, plus 1 by 4 minus 3. There is no denominator means you have to consider that as the 1. How to take on LCM for this and cross multiply that, we will get 1 minus 12. So we will get minus 11 by 4 here. Here minus 3 by 4 into x. Then this 4 and this 4 will get cancelled. Then we will get these terms. That is, for this minus 3x come this side, it will change to plus 3x is less than or equal to this minus 13 come this side plus 13. Similarly, this minus 3x come this side plus 3x, this minus 11 come this side plus 11. From that we can find the x value is less than or equal to 13 divided by 3 and we have to mark this as the first one. For this may be written as 3x greater than or equal to 11. From that x is greater than or equal to 11 by 3. How to mark this as the second equation, that is second inequality. From 1 and 2 we can consider that x value is lies between 11 by 3 to 13 by 3. That is, from 1 and 2 we can write that as 11 by 3 less than or equal to x less than or equal to 13 by 3. So this is the answer for this sum. Let us see the fourth subdivision. The question is modulus of x minus 10 less than minus 3. See this solution. First you have to write the given data, that is modulus of x minus 10 less than minus 3. We want only this x term. So you have to write this as modulus of x less than this minus 10 come this side plus 10. Okay, so this modulus of x is less than this minus 3 plus 10 means 7. So this is the answer for this sum. This meaning is this x value is lies between minus 7 to plus 7. That is written here minus 7 less than x less than plus 7. So this is the answer for this sum. Next we are going to see the second sum. Solve 1 divided by modulus of 2x minus 1 less than 6. Here also we are having the question as solved. That is, you have to find the unknown value. That value is x here. Okay, and express the solution using the interval notation. That is, you have to write the x answer in the interval notation. Let us see the solution. After writing the solution, you have to write the given data. That is 1 divided by modulus of 2x minus 1 less than 6. Here the modulus value and the variable is in the denominator. So I have to bring this to the numerator by taking the reciprocals. So we will get, after taking the reciprocals, we will get modulus of 2x minus 1. This less than symbol is changed into greater than symbol, and this 6 is changed into 1 by 6. This meaning is, this within this modulus value, that is 2x minus 1 is lies between 1 by 6 to minus 1 by 6. Okay, it is less than means you have to say that as the values lies between negative value to positive value. Here greater than sign, so you have to represent that as the minus 1 by 6 greater than 2x minus 1 greater than 1 by 6. Now we are going to take this first two terms alone, that is minus 1 by 6 greater than 2x minus 1. From this we are going to find the x value. So this minus 1 come this side, plus 1 minus 1 by 6. There is no denominator means you have to consider that as the 1. So after taking this LCM of these two terms, you have to cross multiply these two values. That is 1 into 6 means 6 minus 1 into 1 means 1. So 6 minus 1 means 5 divided by the LCM is 12 is greater than 2x. We want to find the x value alone. Okay, so you have to bring this x to value this side and have to bring this 2 to the downwards. So finally we will get x is less than 5 by 12. How to mark this as the first one. See that next one, how to consider these two terms. That is, we are having 2x minus 1 greater than 1 by 6. From this 2x is greater than, this minus 1 come this side plus 1. So we will get this cross multiply means 7 by 6. Next you have to bring this 2 to the down. We will get x greater than 7 by 12. How to mark this as the second one. Now we are going to draw the number line. That is the line with the answers minus infinity to plus infinity. And you have to note down the points. In that first one as the smallest number, second one as the biggest number. So I have to represent minus infinity, 5 by 12, 7 by 12 and infinity. Then you have to shade the region which x has. Okay, that is x belongs portions. Here x is less than 5 by 12. That meaning is x the smallest value varukunu, the greatest value enna varukuna 5 by 12. So the number which is less than value is shaded in this left side of this number line. Similarly, for this x is greater than 7 by 12. That is 7 by 12 oda greater arkuno. So I have to shade it in the right hand side. Here we are having two values, but we are having three intervals. The intervals are minus infinity to 5 by 12 and 5 by 12 to 7 by 12, then 7 by 12 to 8. Okay, these three are the intervals. Are you able to understand this? Okay. So in that the x values are lies between these two intervals, isn't it? So rendu intervals la varanaala now to represent the solution as union. So எப்படி எழுதணும் அப்படின்னா x belongs to open interval minus infinity to 7 by 12 union open interval 7 by 12 comma infinity. Are you able to understand this? How to mention that as the open interval only because இங்க less than greater than symbol மட்டும் தான் கொடுத்திருக்காங்க. இதே greater than or equal to less than or equal to mention பண்ணிருந்தாங்கன்னா here you have to mention that as the closed interval. So this is the answer for this sum. Now we are going to see the fourth sum. Solve 2 into modulus of x plus 1 minus 6 less than or equal to 7. Here also we are going to solve. That is, we are going to find the unknown value, that is x value, and graph the solution set in a number line. We are going to represent that x value in a number line. See that solution. Here first you have to write the given data. That is 2 into modulus of x plus 1 minus 6 less than or equal to 7. This minus 6 comes this side plus 6. So 7 plus 6 is equal to 13. Okay. Then you have to bring this multiplication of 2 into this side as division. So we will get modulus of x plus 1 is less than or equal to 13 by 2. This meaning is x plus 1 value is lies between minus 13 by 2 to plus 13 by 2. Okay. Now we are going to split this term as the two terms. That is, first one is minus 13 by 2 less than or equal to x plus 1 as one term, and x plus 1 is less than or equal to 13 by 2 is the second term. Okay, this plus 1 come this side, minus 1. So minus 1 minus 13 by 2 less than or equal to x. Then you have to cross multiply that. We will get minus 15 by 2 is less than or equal to x. This may be written as x is greater than or equal to minus 15 by 2, and I have to mark this as the first one. From this plus 1 come this side, minus 1. Then you have to take an LCM. We will get the denominator as 2 and cross multiply that. Then we will get 13 minus 2 is nothing but 11. So 11 by 2. That is x less than or equal to 11 by 2. Now to mark this as the second one. Next we are going to draw the number line with the ends as minus infinity to plus infinity. Then you have to represent first number as the smallest number. Here minus 15 by 2, and second one as the greatest number, that is 11 by 2. Okay, then you have to shade the portion like this. See this, here x value is greater than or equal to minus 15 by 2. Minus 15 by 2 ஓட greater இருக்கணும்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. So it is in the right hand side of this minus 15 by 2. And 11 by 2, that is x value is less than or equal to 11 by 2. It is 11 by 2 the biggest value இருக்கணும், அதை விட கம்மியா இருக்கணும்னு சொல்லிருக்காங்க. That meaning is this x value is lies between this minus 15 by 2 to 5, 11 by 2. Okay, that may be represented as x belongs to closed interval. Here we have to use the closed interval because of greater than or equal to and less than or equal to. So x belongs to closed interval minus 15 by 2 comma 11 by 2, or x value is lies between minus 15 by 2 to 11 by 2. So this is the answer for this sum. Thank you, students.